My name is Darrell Wade, and I am the founder of a community health initiative called Black Men's Wellness. Black Men's Wellness is a public health initiative that targets Black and African American males and addresses the health concerns mainly around high blood pressure or hypertension and heart disease through non-medicinal introductory wellness practices. The early 2010s, I began to lose a friend or family member a year over the course of about 5 or 6 years, all related to hypertension or heart disease, and all males, and all of whom were younger than the age of 50. So I started Black Men's Wellness. I'm hoping to share the experiences that have helped me the most, that I feel are lacking in my community, especially in terms of outdoor space, the way we address health and wellness as a culture in general. There was a lot of outcry and a lot of support in 2020 when we were at the height of protests and things like that. And I think we're starting to see a lot of that wane, and as the names of those who have fallen to state violence are no longer trending. And I just feel like we're seeing a lot of support wane in the BIPOC community. There's still obviously systemic issues that we have to address, and that and work that needs to be pushed forth. But the question is, are you going to ride with us even when you're not feeling guilty? Are you still going to support those initiatives and that movement? If you're a Black identified male, please come participate in our workshops. They're free of charge. Honestly, fiscal support is one of the biggest ways you can support BIPOC businesses in Portland. Please spend your dollars at these businesses. There's a lot of money in Portland. Nike's here, and Intel, and Salesforce, and I can go on. And spend your money at these businesses.